Quickly view your investment and loan balances, as well as credit card and bank account balances and transactions from any institution in one place for an easy way to watch your financial big picture. From your dashboard, review your accounts on the left-hand side of the page for cash, credit cards, debts, and investment categories, and all posted transactions. Customized widgets allow you to see items such as goals progress, budget items, and expenses. Easily create budgets to categorize and track spending habits. By seeing how you reach a spending target, you can make smarter financial choices. The cash flow calendar brings your budget to life through an interactive calendar. You can see how much money you have available to pay bills and other expenses day by day, allowing you to make informed choices when to schedule bills and other spending. Set and track goals to help you take control and reach your financial goals. Create savings goals like saving for a vacation or paying off an auto loan. Build wealth and watch it grow through the Net Worth tool. Quickly add up all of your assets and debts to show you an up-to-date estimate of your net worth. Always on the go? Use the Alerts feature to stay up to date on your account balances, posted transactions, the progress of your financial goals, budgets, and more. With these simple tools, you can truly get a handle on your money and achieve all of your financial goals.